Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how you can use your grinder to sharp your mower blade. So this is the grinder I have for now. So it's a 4.5 heavy duty angle grinder. So you can use it to sharp anything like knife, your mower blade. So before you start, before you do anything, you need gloves, you need ear protection, and you need eyeglasses. So you don't want to get hurt. You don't want to hurt yourself. So and you need something like that. I think it's called swivel, and then so you can hold your blade in place. And make sure you follow the same line. Follow the same line. Okay? Make sure you follow the same line. Okay? So you don't want to mess it up. So follow it with your grinder. You're gonna put it like this. You don't wanna put it upside down. So make sure you put it this way. Don't put it upside down. So this way is better. So you can use your grinder this way and go left and right. All right. So once you got it tight, and then you can plug your grinder, put your glasses, ear protection, and gloves. So as you can see, I want to show you the before. Okay, this is the before, and then once I'm done, you'll see the after. Just pay attention. All right. I don't want to make this video too long, so I want to show you the starting process. I want to show you how it's starting to look. Okay, so now you see, so I'm just gonna sharpen it some more. Okay, so far so good. So and then I'm gonna switch to this side. So so now you see how you can do it. So go ahead and do it yourself. All right.